All right, everybody, it's a brand new day, and as you can see, we still got pants on, which means we will be getting into some intense physical labor.
The differential's going in, the axles are going in, the uprights are going on.
Hopefully we can get this done and then go back to the test track and get redemption on that fucking dirt mound. Ooh. Welcome to death row. They go up or down?
No. You gotta grab the axle, my guy. You fucking with me?
I ain't do truck stuff. I feel super stupid. Listen, have you ever seen Ice Cube in the same bottle? Oh. Beautiful. Look at that, baby. Okay. That's what happened when you built for it tough. Do you want to see some hats? That's a lot of hats. Order yours now at Hoonigan.com.
This is the snout.
Okay.
This is what it has the threads that hold the hub on. This will stay together.
So to do this brake job, I have to fucking hammer out all this shit?
Yes. No, the pads you can swap out easy. Rotors are you gotta knock the lugs
I gotta
out.
do these to the OBS.
Okay.
Good,
You
let
guys
go.
come down. Shock will hold it a little bit. There you go.
Check out my stomach tattoo now.
Oh shit. Avex on you everywhere. So is this where the bump will stop it?
No. Look at how much gap we have here.
Oh,
How much we have here. We gotta pull this back. We kind of want it centered. And once we get it pretty centered, we can land our bump stops. Because imagine we land our bump stops and we pull this back, then we're off where it's gonna land on the beam. Go ahead, bring it down. Bring it down. There you go. That's all we're getting out of it.
That's all we getting?
Yep, we're all the way maxed out.
You're maxed out?
I wanted to put 40s on this. You think Michael let me borrow these to go home, make me feel like a real boy? He said I might have to shave this.
Okay. 95.5 to the back right here. We're just gonna match the other side.
Get it slide on. It's spinning.
You know, I mean, they're new bearings, so you want them kind of tight because they'll break in.
Shannon Sharp?
Yeah, when he goes on there?
So we kind of like to match the angle of the shock as well. Should land about somewhere like right there. Something like that. Just want to make sure this is where we're gonna land safely. Should be good. Okay. So basically we got the rear end all tied up, got our new leaf springs in, got the front tied up too, most of the way. We're welding in the bump stops. Got the axles in, new bearings, new U-joints, got the radius arms all tied up. Wheelbase is looking really good. We're gonna trim some of the bumper and we're good to go for tomorrow.
I can earn my pilot's wings. What are we doing today, Mr. Cox?
Finishing the install on your truck. A couple things need to be put together still. We got the bump stops installed yesterday. The front inner fender liners need to be fit. I believe the brakes, we gotta align it. Those are kind of the big ticket items to get knocked off the list today. Let's get to work.
I gotta work. I'm wearing pants again.
The shock. Gary's ready to send it. We've completed the suspension and now we're ready to take this thing in the dirt for the first time with the new special Gary King Shocks Desolate Motorsports Factory BS Alloy Armor Touch.
Let's go.
All right.
I'm not nervous, but it's like this test track's about to be different.
Very. Flat.
He was right.
Bro, it disintegrated.
All I heard was
Over a week ago, Ol Lumpy right there, or we'll call that Ol Lymphoma, got me. Jacked me right up, bent the arms, but today, I'm gonna bend lymphoma.
Don't hit lymphoma again.
Okay,
All right.
what's the secret?
Just stay left. Stay left.
Okay,
You've been around the track. Go out there and let her rip.
I'm just gonna let her eat.
You'll be good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see what you can do.
go Gary.
Yeah, oh my goodness, this was day and night. This is shit. Just driving around. Did it shift? Why did it shift this at first? Driving around, just doing a side path, talking to myself. Get a dip, get another dip. It feels smooth. It feels great. This is low-key like driving. Like if I had a better seat, it'd be better. Just filling it out. Just filling it out. Filling it out. Driving on flat. There we go. There we go. None of that wiggle shit. The heart's racing. He's going the distance. He's going for speed.
How's it feel?
Night and day. So it's like before it felt like I was overexerting the power of steering because
Yeah.
I'm doing all of this
Right.
when I really just need to do this
Yeah.
and just smooth, let
Slow it down,
the
yeah.
truck, let the momentum of the truck take the dirt. And then when I did the jump, I thought what you said. I looked to the left,
Yeah.
and then I jumped, but I stayed in it.
Yeah.
I stayed in it, and as soon as I land, I stayed in it more, and then I saw this and it stayed right in it. And then when I jumped and landed, I just tried to go over
I saw that.
over that.
Split it.
Yeah, so instead of like
Yeah.
dipping in and everything, but on like the dips and everything
Yeah.
that it drives around,
Yeah.
it's like this.
Yeah.
It's like this. Before it was like
Right. So does it feel soft?
it feels soft but stiff. Like
Okay.
soft in the sense like
Yeah.
the truck feels sturdy.
Yeah.
That's the stiffness,
Yeah.
but soft like when I'm driving it, it's
Feels
like
cushy.
Yes.
The wheels
yes.
are moving and it looks a bit soft, and the rear rebound's pretty fast. I'd like to slow down the rebound a little bit in the
Okay.
back, but it looks good. I'm
Okay.
going to turn the front clickers in. Let's do it the other way. Do the track the other way.
Okay. Oh shit! Oh shit! That's smooth. The train saw me! The train saw me! Alright, Mr. King. Left, right, left, straight. Oh! Shit! Oh, you good? Wally, you good? Everybody okay? This Wallyvision.
I love it. It's Wallyvision. This is.
It's what is love.
Oh, Gary. Ooh, this thing. Oh, okay.
Got it.
Oh, got it. Like that. Okay.
Just lean it up.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's go. Woo! Ooh, this seat slide. Let's go. Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God.
you feel, Bronco? Man, it's been a hell of an experience. I've been loving this all day. If you love it, Bronco, man, I could do this all day. Feel for it, tough.
Shaking hands for the scene.
I'll support.
But how'd it look?
It looks amazing. Like, so I get to see the articulation on the suspension.
Yeah.
Here, because the front, like when you're going in it,
Yeah.
it takes it.
Right.
And then it drops, and then the back takes it.
Right.
But it never, the Bronco itself never.
Flat.
Yeah.
The wheels are just moving.
Yes.
It's perfect.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, I want to thank you,
Yeah.
Daniel Chance,
Absolutely.
Mr. Brett King, Mr. Greg at Desolate Motorsports, Alloy Armor, Busta Grimes, and viewers like you. Let's get this over to Mr. Deon's house, have him look at this engine and see if it's worth keeping or if we can put some parts on this to make it just a little bit better.